guys, I just hear this annoying sound from my rear wheel for past few weeks. So I just know asked my friends what's the problem. They said to change the chain sprocket. So in this video we are going to see how to change the chain sprocket for the Dominar 400. Do press the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. So guys, we will see how to change the chain sprocket in the Dominar 400. I have done around 16,000 kilometers and I am glad to know that I have to change my chain sprocket in this interval only, because I have just maintained my chain regularly. So the basic average life of a chain will be around 16 to 20,000 kilometers. So it is must to change after this time. So it's a quite lengthy process to change the chain sprocket in the Dominar 400. I've just got my chain sprocket from the Bajaj service center. It cost around 2,800 for the sprocket with chain, and as I want my bike immediately, so I just got the spares and changed it to my mechanic. In the service center they said to wait around 3 to 4 hours to change the chain sprocket, and they also charge a labor of around 500 rupees. So this is a lengthy process. We just need to remove all the fittings from the bike. So first remove the sari guard. So you can see how much dirt in that place. I just regularly maintain my chain by lubing it at regularly 500 kilometers, every 500 kilometers. But still there can be a lot of dust can be settled inside the bike where we can reach. So just remove the screws from the shock abs. You just need to remove this frame to fit the chain. Since Bajaj didn't provide us the chain link for this bike in the spares, so we just need to remove this part. It's also quite a lengthy process to remove this, and it should be very careful while removing this. So I just remove the rear frame. So now you just remove the inner sprocket. So basically the change process, sprocket change process, you can see the chain and the old sprocket. So just clean them. So this is the chain sprocket, the old one. So basically while changing the chain sprocket, you also need to change the wheel bearings and wheel rubbers. So you can also get it from the Bajaj service center spares. We just need around 5 rubbers to place it here and a wheel bearing. So the total cost for this is around 3,300 rupees, including this rubber, sprockets and wheel bearing. just remove the rubbers and things, clean those dust particles from this frame. So this is the wheel bearing which we are installing in. So we have just placed the new sprocket just to screw them tightly. Place the wheel rubber, new rubbers, and also clean the place. So you can see the dust in this frame. Just to remove it with the help of kerosene. These are the dust caused by chain spray. So just place the chain in the frame alignment. So be careful while installing this. So I just suggest you use hydraulic pressure to lift your bike rather than using these kind of boxes to lift. So place the inner sprocket with the chain. Tight the frame. You can see we have placed the new sprocket on the bike. So that's the process how to change the chain sprocket in the Dominar 400. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, support, share, mainly subscribe for more videos. Thank you.